Harpalani and I am pursuing journalism and mass communication from Apex University. I want to become a television news presenter. Here in our fully equipped state-of-the-art television studio, we practice news writing, presentation and pronunciation. We practice camera work, editing and create a full package of news bulletins.
My name is Unmit Mittal. Public speaking is my passion and I want to shape my career in this area. Apex University gives ample opportunities to hone my capabilities. With their state-of-the-art facilities and experienced mentors, I believe I can reach my full potential and become a successful public speaker.
I am Rishi. A photograph expresses more than 1,000 words can. So, I want to explore the world of photography to see this world different. I am acquiring photography skills at the Apex University.
Hi, my name is Ayush Sharma. Advertising is an integral part of mass communication. We have made an advertising campaign here, designing print ad, writing radio jingles, and creating television and social media commercials are part of it.
Hey, I'm Ritu Mirani. As we all know, radio is a medium for illiterate and rural audiences. We make radio programs in our sound studio. Sound recording, greasing and interviewing are a few things that we practice here.
I am Jaya Singh Naruka. Here I am studying social media and exploring its dimensions. It is my area of interest. Here I get rich library where I get numerous books, research journals and magazines to enhance my knowledge.